Today people are talking about how to give your will, succession planning, estate planning. कभी सुना था 20 साल पहले? 5-star होटल में बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं. It's a good time to be in, and we always say we were born in a poor India. Our children will die in a rich India. Bigger problem. तो थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं because we are a strange country. Our future depends on the past. So much, no? Insurance was started in India. Chanakya has documented this. We had an insurance expert 2,500 years ago. We had the concept of premium. I don't want to go into past, but I have to tell you that past also reflects the future. How many Marwadis? You know, खाना खाने जाते हैं शादी में, मारवाड़ी को पहला डेजर्ट खिला देते हैं. Because dessert is always at the last. I have this problem, either I'm a first speaker or the last speaker. Thank you for staying back. You know, when I studied Sanskrit, MA in Sanskrit, one of my teachers told me two words, which I understand now. Vyas and Samas. It's a public speaking skill in Sanskrit literature. Vyas मतलब आपको बोला गया है jam, just a minute, but you go on stage saying nobody has come, so you speak for 1 hour. तो expand करके बोलना. Samas मतलब you are prepared for 1 hour and then you would speak for 5 minutes. So very clear, 20 minutes, not even 1 hour. चलेगा? Can we have the slide, please? Yeah. So thank you, Vyas sir, thank you, Rao sir, and all the organizers, and all of you for staying back. भारत सोने की चिड़िया थी, right? बहुत सोचा क्यों थी, समझ में आ गया अभी. So I am coming here to learn a lot, but let me tell you, we have the formulas, principles. If you understand, you have seen all the statistics from the speakers कि बन गए. Next 10 years is India's story. Today people are talking about how to give your will, succession planning, estate planning. कभी सुना था 20 साल पहले? 5-star होटल में बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं. It's a good time to be in, and we always say we were born in a poor India. Our children will die in a rich India. Bigger problem. तो थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं because we are a strange country. Our future depends on the past. So much, no? Insurance was started in India. Chanakya has documented this. We had an insurance expert 2,500 years ago. We had the concept of premium. I don't want to go into past, but I have to tell you that past also reflects the future. Can I have the slide, or do you want to change it for me? Chanakya नीति for success in life. Life बहुत बड़ा है. I hope all of you will know how to die better. Okay, so 24 books done, and let me tell you a secret. This is my latest book, and yesterday in the same hotel, same time, outside in the lawn, this book got the most popular business book of the year award. यहीं पे Lalit Hotel. I don't know if you've seen that yesterday. There were some Crossroad Awards. Yeah, and you know the people who got the prize, and that Twinkle Khanna was there. Of course, Sudha Murthy ji could not make it because she is a Rajya Sabha MP. And she asked me, I mean, the host asked me, but what is the secret? Well, the secret भी कुछ नहीं है. 14 साल से number 1 हूँ business author. Right from corporate Chanakya, many of you have seen it. The only thing that works is Chanakya. नाम ही काफी है. You know, there's a saying, राम बड़ा कि राम का नाम बड़ा. राम को तो किसी ने देखा नहीं, गांधी जी को देखा नहीं, विवेकानंद, you speak about all the great people. लेकिन नाम बिकता है. तो चाणक्य वैसे फेमस हो गए और आप लोग भी उसी के लिए बैठे हो. But let me tell you, there is only one of the books, but if you want to give somebody, New Year के लिए भी आ रहे हैं ना, gift Indian wisdom to the world. The world is waiting for us. The world is waiting for us. But unfortunately, Indians don't know about Indian wisdom. Of course, थोड़ा थोड़ा चालू हो गया अभी. Yoga, Ayurveda. Remember, Chanakya is part of it. And for us, especially in the wealth field, he wrote the Arthashastra, which made India the richest country in the world. We have a document. So, with the given 17 minutes and 20 seconds, let me come straight to the point. क्या हो गया? आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा? stuck. कोई बात नहीं. And you know this guy? His name is Radhakrishnan Pillai. थोड़ा use करता है strategy. Yesterday, how many of you heard about Sanjeev Sanyal? Yeah, so he is one of the principal advisors. Yesterday he was here talking about क्या चल रहा है उधर. And I'll tell you some insights. Don't go by data too much. Data is important. There cannot be strategy without data. In fact, if you don't have data, there is no strategy. But strategy should not end with data. Data analysis is a starting point. But is strategy only data? Sankhya, the technical term, Indian wisdom is number crunching. Indians are good at it. वो छोड़ दो आप. हमारे जीन्स में 0 to infinity, everything in between. Numbers तो हमारा दिमाग में चलता रहता है. But if you think only you understand numbers, you have missed out the strategy. There's an ecosystem that's working for us. रास्ते का भिखारी को भी नंबर काउंटिंग आता है इस देश में. Isn't it true? When we are thinking, I just want to tell you that go back to history to understand this person. I don't know, take a history class, but 4th century BC में ये व्यक्ति होके गए. चाणक्य, विष्णुगुप्त, कौटिल्य एक ही व्यक्ति है. And many things he did, defeated Alexander, created Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya. But for us, he wrote Chanakya Niti and Arthashastra. I want to speak on 3 topics in the given time. Because Chanakya is a huge thing. How do we use him for success in life? Definitely I'll speak on wealth, mental health, not just health. There's a saying, in developed countries, which we are almost reaching now, the 2 biggest professions are psychologist and lawyers. गरीबी में खुश थे, अमीरी में झगड़ा करते. It's okay, but mental health is something we are talking about new. No, Vivekananda wrote about it 100 years ago, that the world will face mental health and India will have a solution for it. And of course, I'll speak about spiritual life, because India without spiritual discussions is not India, right? So if you want to have a complete life, wealth is the first thing. Clear, Artha Shastra. Only extreme is that we think wealth will make us happy, but get wealth and become more happy. Otherwise, extreme of wealth is comfortably miserable. We don't want it to comfort miserable, but we want comforts and also have happiness. We'll talk about that as the third point. Let me start with a few sutras. Sutras means formulas. E is equal to mc squares. चाणक्य बहुत सारे सूत्रास है which are very common. सामदान भेद दंड, दुश्मन का दुश्मन दोस्त, पैसा पैसे को खींचता है. So all this is part of it, but I'll tell you some of the sutras in Sanskrit. I'll not take a Sanskrit class. Kosha purvaha sarvarambhaha. Before you do anything, start with budgeting. How many of you do budgeting here? Family budgeting. अभी हाथ नीचे के. We don't discuss money, we think about money. It's a very interesting Indian psychology. पैसे के बारे में continuously back of the mind चलते रहते हैं, isn't it true? It's a good thing. But we don't sit around and openly discuss money. I always tell, it's very important that you openly talk about money. Starting with your family. घर पे बैठो मियाँ बीवी और जितना झगड़ा करना पहले कर लो. वैकेशन में जाने के बाद अरे इसका शॉपिंग नहीं करना है. Let me tell you, vacation is meant for spending, not for bargaining. मैं तो बीवी को अभी बीच में लेके गया था डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग. बहुत सारे इनविटेशन मिल रहे हैं ना सबको. एज एन रायपुर जाना है क्या? जाना है, इट्स अ फाइनेंशियल क्वेश्चन. प्लेन में ही जाना है, इट्स अ डिलीवरी ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. वहां पे जाके अरे यार पैसा होता तो. How many of us plan our family budgets with good vacations? देखो दो हाथ, financial planners. And when you plan, risk management experts are sitting here. We plan extra and spend less. हम उल्टा करते हैं. Plan less, spend more. Tension. Principles. All undertakings, all should be depend on treasury first. When we make a budget, I help lot of companies, especially MSME companies. You know, when we make a budget, there is a very important column called as miscellaneous. किसके लिए पता नहीं, डाल दो यार, आईफोन 16, 17 आने ही वाला है। नहीं और इतना क्या है, आईफोन लूटती है, तुम बोलो, वो बेटा जाके लेगा। We don't know how to budget. A basic financial tool called budgeting was started in this country. You know, if you study the Marwadi system, there is something called Partha system, you must have heard. How many of us studied it? It was one of the greatest tools without any technology AI. So coming with as a principle, therefore the leader should look in the treasury first. जो पैसे के बारे में नहीं सोचता, he is not an Indian. Indians think about God at one extreme, Indians think about money at the other extreme, isn't it true? And that makes you an Indian. If you're not thinking about money but not discussing money, you're not understood India. That's why दुनिया भर में हम लोग रूल कर रहे हैं. What do you think all these Sundar Pichai and Satya Nadelas are doing? Number crunching. Isn't it true? Let's get on discussing money in our houses. As one lady, you know, I was in US, I was teaching in one of the universities. Decisions are not taken in the White House, in the parliamentary or the capital or whatever you call it, or the White House. Decisions are taken in the kitchen of every house. True? ये हम भूल गए. लक्ष्मी वहां पे है. And the first thing that you set up in a house is housewarming ceremony में मसाला के डब्बे. Economy starts from there. Your food product inflation वहीं से शुरू होते हैं. And the ladies know how to manage at 5,000 rupees and 5 lakh rupees भी कम है. Lakshmi is not just about an idol that you have during Lakshmi Puja. It's a way of thinking. We have to get into understanding that we think differently and we think also practically. Bargaining is not about negotiations alone. It's a sense of satisfaction. Isn't it true? I know of a lady. So she goes to every shop and bargains. Mera kanjus, maja aata hai. What? I don't feel complete till I bargain. It's not that I can't pay. The same country which has taught bargaining also told you give extra. 101 रुपया दो. 1 रुपया ज़्यादा देते. Isn't it true? Anyway, that's a thing. But what I'm saying, thinking about money in a practical way is Chanakya Niti. Okay. Now, investments की बात कर रहे थे. Be ever active in the management of the economy. Because the root of wealth is economic activity. You know, we all see these graphs that were shown. Without activity है वो पैसा चला जाएगा, और without activity जो पैसा आने वाला वो नहीं आएगा. So what do you do with the money? You know, my wife is actually a qualified MBA in investment, लेकिन basic principle भूल जाती है. क्यों? अरे ये कंपनी में क्या invest करो. Then ask him, okay, you trust that company, you trust that management, but what is it that makes that company perform? Basic question, no? It is not the company is good or the product is good or the life cycle is good. Everything is important. But there is one thing, the company is active. Isn't it true? And I'll tell you one small secret. एक बताओ, when you invest in a company, if you have time, of course we have research analysts, we have fund managers. Go and check the company's leader कितना बजे ऑफिस पहुंचता है. I'm not joking. If he is active, यद यद आचरति श्रेष्ठः तद्दत् देवेतरो जना. जो 9 बजे उठ के ऑफिस पहुंचता है उस कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करो. क्यों? बिकॉज ही इज सेइंग, यू नो, द प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर, बट बैठा हूं मैं वहां पे, लोन चल रहा है लेकिन बैठा हूं. आई टेल यू, इन कोविड, थैंक्स टू चाणक्य सब बुलाते रहते हैं, तो कोविड में ऑनलाइन, देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई डिड 17 सेशंस इन वन डे ऑनलाइन, आधा आधा घंटा करके पूरा. आई हैव ए गुड सेक्रेटरी, शी मैनेजेस एवरीथिंग. तो लॉट ऑफ पीपल पता नहीं पगार कैसे देंगे, वो देंगे, ये देंगे. मैंने एक ही चीज बोला, सिचुएशन इज द सेम, बट द कंपनीज दैट विल सर्वाइव आर हु आर स्टिल एक्टिव इन स्पाइट ऑफ द चैलेंजेस. है ना, हम सब बैठे हैं. वरना यू कैन गिव एक्सक्यूज, यू कैन ब्लेम द गवर्नमेंट, बट द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट गवर्नमेंट और गवर्नेंस, इट इज द लीडर हु इज एक्टिव. उठ के आए हो क्या? 9 बजे जो पहुंचता है उस कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करो, फिर प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज. ठीक है, देखो, इनएक्टिविटी ब्रिंग्स मटेरियल डिस्ट्रेस. है वो पैसा भी चला जाएगा. है ना गुजराती में कहावत, नालायक को देना है क्या. or you're planning, give it to the wrong descendants, gone. और लायक को तुम्हारे पैसे की जरूरत है क्या? I'll tell you, this country has got a name called Bharat. It's named on a king. You should study Mahabharat, the first chapter. There was a serial also, B.R. Chopra ka yaad hai? Very famous Mahabharat. Please go and watch the first episode. I'll tell you what. It's about succession planning for the right person to take over the country. King Bharat, जिसके नाम पे भारत है, he had 13 sons. He had 13 sons biologically. But he did not give the kingdom to any one of them. तो सारे मंत्री परिषद बैठे, अबे रिटायरमेंट के टाइम हो गया. And then they were told, listen, it's time for us to go. I mean the king to go. Appoint somebody among 13. It's not one or two. It's not Pandav में से एक उठाओ. It's that none of them are लायक. Like, नहीं यार, but appoint करना है. And the मंत्री परिषद tried to help him. Wait. After 1 week he comes and says, एक गांव का लड़का है, उसको राजा बनाओ. तो बोले, you can't do this. He's not a biological son. बोले, remember, I have been taught, मेरी प्रजा मेरी संतान है. वो भी प्रजा है ना, biological नहीं है. Capable person to run my company is very important. To run my country. That's what India is. We don't give wealth only to biological children. Of course, you can make trust and all. उसको थोड़ा safeguard कर दो, उसका नसीब है. But do you want your company to grow? That's why we have this very famous concept in India also, or globally. Family owned, professionally run. Family owned. अपने बच्चों को थोड़ा दे देना, लेकिन उनको leadership quality देखने के बाद देना. Otherwise, current prosperity and future gains both are destroyed. I'll go to the next topic because only 5 minutes remaining. Mental health. Mental health. Let me tell you, India mein, the mind has been divided into two parts. Mana and Buddhi. Mind and intellect. All your stress level comes from decision making problem. Om Namah Shukra Brahaspati Bhyam. Chanakya is a great strategic thinker because he looks at both. Shukracharya and Brahaspati. You know Shukracharya? Danav ke guru. Don't worry, even the villains have guru. Huh? And the hero also is a guru. How much can you think about risk management? Look at it. Because one person will tell the bad side, one person will tell the good side. दोनों. और आपको एक बात बताऊं? In a society you require both. The good people and the bad people. Huh? What is the point of good when you don't have bad? You're too much into appreciation of the good that yes, we have to be good, morally right, superior, but those exist. There was a चोर. बार-बार चोरी करता था, छोटा-मोटा चोरी, और जज के आगे पुलिस लेके जाते थे. अभी क्या करे? जज बोलता है, अरे 2-3 दिन डाल दो जेल में, बाहर रहो. वापिस चोरी करता था 3-4 बार, और जज ने बोला, अरे जिंदगी में कुछ अच्छा काम किया है क्या? एवरी टाइम चोरी करता है. हाँ किया है ना साहब. क्या किया? आपको नौकरी दी है. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू दैट यू हैव टू बी क्रिमिनल, but please understand criminals will exist. Isn't it true? I worked very closely with some of the most glamorous industries before all this Chanakya caught me. Cricket, jewelry, film industry, music industry. Glamour तो बोलो. And my children now they're growing up. बोला देखो भैया सब में glamour है लेकिन dark side भी है. Isn't it true? I'm not telling that you have to be like them, but be aware of them. Isn't it true? और लोग हमारे पास बहुत आते हैं कॉर्पोरेट चाणक्य पढ़ के. हाउ टू मैनेज ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स. ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स छोड़ दो. दैट्स ह्यूमन माइंड. इजंट इट ट्रू? यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. यू हैव टू. शुक्राचार्य को भी पढ़ो और शुक्राचार्य बृहस्पति को भी पढ़ो. सो यू हैव टू लुक एट व्हाट कैन गो रॉन्ग एंड व्हाट कैन गो राइट, एंड व्हाट गोस राइट विल आल्सो गो रॉन्ग. ओके, नाउ टू सॉल्व मेंटल हेल्थ, always talk to people. I'll tell you something. In a developed country, the biggest problem can be loneliness. India में सबसे बड़ा अच्छा advantage क्या है पता है आपको? We can talk to people. Bandra में very recently I had gone for a wedding. Indian husband, Spanish wife. 23 साल से उनकी शादी चल रही है, सब हो गए, बच्चे सेटल हो गए. 23 नहीं, 33 साल सॉरी. एंड हस्बैंड वाइफ का झगड़ा क्या है पता है? हस्बैंड बोलता है यार इंडिया में करप्शन अभी भी, बॉम्बे फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल, रोड ठीक नहीं है, वो नहीं है, पॉल्यूशन, ये वो सब. लेट्स गो एंड स्पेंड द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइफ इन स्पेन. एंड द लेडी सेज लेट्स स्पेंड द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ अ लाइफ इन इंडिया. व्हाई? वहां पे सब कुछ अच्छा है, लेकिन बात करने के लिए कोई नहीं है। यहां पे इतने लोग हैं, एवरी सैटरडे संडे वी हैव ए न्यू प्रॉब्लम, कौन से इवेंट में जाए या नहीं जाए, ट्रू और नो? So all the financially successful people still want a social life. So if you have a mental health problem, बातें करो, gossips are good, huh? You may laugh at it. In villages, वहां पे नॉर्थ इंडिया में बोलते हैं चौपाल, यहाँ पे बोलते हैं नुक्कड़ कट्टा. Have you seen that? If you don't speak, this is networking. Networking बड़े बड़े words. अरे चाय पे चर्चा, one person became a prime minister. Do you talk to people? Two people, general discussion and expert opinion. What does Chanakya say? You should have constant association with elders. आपके फील्ड में अगर रियली मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ स्ट्रेस है, किसी एक्सपर्ट से बात करो. An expert has studied that subject. So discussion with expert will make you expert in every field. So it's very important you talk to people to solve mental health problems. Last point, because only 1 minute remaining. What is your work? The affairs of a king are only of 3 kinds. आपका काम है सोचना. Today is a generation of information, right? I'm sure you must have children now who know they're much more beyond you, isn't it true? But is information gathering the work of a leader? No. Information gathering and analyzing and bringing in insight. Sight, insight and foresight. How to think correctly is what Chanakya says. The affairs of a leader are of 3 kinds: directly perceived, unperceived and inferred. Quickly saying Sanskrit words. प्रत्यक्ष परोक्ष अनुमेय इति राजवृत्ति ही. तो यहां से आपने देखा, 2 दिन से चल रहा है, कितने लोग आए, एक्सपर्ट्स आए. प्रत्यक्ष, परोक्ष, you have seen through them, isn't it true? How many of you have not gone to Gift City? Not. I am also one of them. They've been inviting me a lot of times. But through the eyes, where is our Gift City, sir? Okay. I think maybe not. Through him, did you see Gift City? आपको देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन किसी और के नजर से देखो, आपको समझ में आता है. एंड अनुमेय, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रेटेजी. इसके ऊपर some other time we'll do a session. How to actually build in strategy without even knowing the data. धुआं देख के समझ में आता है कि आग लगी है. Did you see the आग? अनुमान लगाना, insight and foresight. So I would request that 2 days, all that you gathered, think about it. I'd like to stop with a story, and a real story that attracted me to Chanakya. There are a lot of reasons. I remember when I did my first startup 25 years ago. I have a company which is spiritual tourism. तभी कुछ पता नहीं है, not a Gujarati मारवाड़ी क्या करे. So my guru told me 25 years ago, start your own company. Instead of looking out for a job, create jobs. शुरू कर लिया. I had a mentor, and he used to run a $1 billion company 25 years ago. Sudhir said. तो उनके पास जाता था थोड़ा थोड़ा गाइडेंस लेने के लिए. They used to tell, listen, Radha, whenever you want a tip, come to me on a Saturday in my thinking office. Now, what is a thinking office? Because he had many offices in India, in Bombay also. One day went on a Saturday. Thinking office क्या होता है? Well, the very small office. He had a library. He had an assistant. Only Saturday used to go there. 5 hours in the morning से लेके दोपहर तक बैठे तो घर जाते. What is a thinking office? Leaders become so active in activity, they become busy and they think they are productivity. Activity is not productivity. Thinking is productivity. So once in a week, I collect all my problems and come to this place and do analysis. आप दिन में कितनी बार सोचते हो? I'm not telling Google research and WhatsApp forwards. Data collection and thinking will make you a leader. That's why the moment you go from here as thinkers, you have achieved Chanakya's way of thinking. Thank you so much.